everyone. Can we share something with you about our school?
Sure. What is it about?
We're from a Catholic school, and this week we're celebrating Catholic School Week. We want to tell you what makes Catholic schools special.
Isn't a Catholic school only for Catholics?
Not at all. Catholic schools welcome students from different backgrounds. What makes us special is not just religion, but values and character formation.
What do you mean by character formation?
We learn to be responsible, respectful, kind, and compassionate. Our teachers help us grow, not only academically, but also spiritually and morally.
We also have activities like community service, leadership programs, career days, and outreach projects.
That sounds exciting. But is studying in a Catholic school difficult?
It can be challenging, but it helps us become disciplined and confident. We are encouraged to do our best and help one another.
So, Catholic school teaches both knowledge and values.
Exactly. We believe education is not just about being smart, but also about having a good heart.
In Catholic schools, we learn to serve others, respect differences, and live with faith and hope.
Come and discover Catholic education, where faith, learning, and service come together.
We'd love to learn more. What about you?
Our Catholic School Week starts this Sunday, January 25th to January 31st, 2026.
What's your theme?
Uniting in faith and community.